All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithm and data structures, basic JavaScript, manipulate arrays with push method. So an easy way to append data to the end of an array is via the push method. I don't know why they call it function other than to confuse us. But yeah, this thing right here, we're going to use it a ton. This thing's a very important thing right here. So the push method, whenever you see .push, just call it the push method. No big deal. Takes one or more parameters, and parameters is anything that goes inside of the parentheses in a method or a function, right? And pushes them into the end of an array. For example, we've got const r1 equals this right here, and then r1.push4 will put a 4 at the end of this array. So the array will now be 1, 2, 3, and there will be an extra element with 4 in it. All right, so here we've got const r2, Simpson J cat, and then we've got r.push, this array of happy and joy in it. So it's going to be Simpson J cat, and then we're going to have another element added to the end of it with this array right here. Now let's reiterate it by looking at this and saying R1 now is the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, and R2 has the value of Simpson J cat, and then the array of happy and joy. All right. So now we're going to push dog3 onto the end of myArray variable, the array of dog3. I don't know how to say this stuff. Anyway, whatever. So we're going to push it to the end of this thing. So we already have this declared. We don't have to declare anything else. So let's come down here and say myArray dot push, and we're going to have these parentheses, and inside of this we're going to say dog3. So let's just come over here, take this, copy it, and paste it right into here. All right. So let's come down here and do a console.log and say myArray. See, this is the .log is a method or a function, whatever you want to call it. Call it a method. I don't even know. Maybe let's call it a function. I don't know. Anyway, and then myArray is the parameter. And as you see here, we've added dog3 at the end of it. All right. So let's run the test. Looks good, and submit it. All right, now we're on to manipulate arrays with pop method, and we'll see you next time.